Akala nyo ba na kailangan pang umakyat ng Baguio para sa iconic na experience na to? Well, think again. 1 year na ang Grumpy Joe dito sa Angeles City and we were invited to celebrate their first year anniversary. Honestly, parang kailan lang nung pinagpipilahan natin to sa North, but being back here feels like a warm hug. If you've been here, you know the vibe, pero kung first timer ka, prepare to be delighted. Hindi lang to basta kainan, it's a place where memories are made. Whether it's a family reunion or a quiet dinner date, let's talk about the food because they really went out. Unang-una, their 12-inch pizza. We had it half-half, the signature Grumpy Joe and the spinach truffle. Yung aroma ng truffle, nanunuot agad paglapag pa lang sa table. It's creamy, earthy, and the crust has the perfect crunch. You get the best of both worlds in a pan. For the pasta, the spicy seafood pesto is a game changer. Hindi to tinipid sa seafood, and the kick of spice, sakto lang to cut through the richness. It's fresh, vibrant, and definitely hindi nakakasawa. Syempre, hindi kompleto ang table nang walang sides. Their onion rings are massive and golden brown. Plus their mojo fries are ultimate crowd favorite. Perfect pampalipas ng oras habang nagkwekwentuhan. To balance everything up, don't skip April's Greek salad. The veggies are crisp, and the dressing is so refreshing. Parang palate cleanser sa gitna ng feast. Insider tip, if you're looking for events place for a birthday, business meeting, or any special occasion, they have a wide space that can fit your needs. Very private and very chill. Before we end, let's talk about their drinks. Pistachio latte is a nutty dream, and the sea salt latte, that salty sweet balance is just perfection. High-end coffee experience right at your table. And for the grand finale, the dessert, the Dubai Chewy Cookie is thick and decadent, paired with gelato in brown butter pecan and pistachio. This is exactly how you end a premium meal. Grumpy Joe Angeles City is more than just a trend. It's a staple. Kung naghahanap ka ng sign para mag-date or mag-family dinner, ito na yon. Bisitahin nyo sila sa Angeles City or message their fan page for reservation. Don't forget to save, comment, like, and share this video para malaman ng kaibigan ninyo kung saan ang next stop ninyo. Kita-kits!